Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. This 2014 Mercedes-Benz SL550 has its 12-volt battery located in the trunk, way down in the trunk. So before you begin a project like this, we always recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive as we replace the battery. The first step is to remove the trunk's cover forward. Next, remove the trunk floor. And then the subfloor. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then remove the positive battery terminal's protective cap, and using your 10mm wrench, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. Then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to carefully remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Next, loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need your 13mm wrench for that. And remove the battery's hold-down bracket out of the way. Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle and install the replacement battery. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and retighten the fasteners. The next step is to reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery. And check the tube to make sure it's not cracked or broken. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal and retighten the fastener. And then replace the plastic protective cover. Next, replace the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and retighten the fastener. Now we can replace the trunk subfloor and the trunk floor. And finally, the trunk cargo cover. And we're done.